welcome to my channel.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlogmas content. Thank you so much for tuning in yet again to another episode of Bree on TV, where I am your host with the most, who obviously loves to do unboxings just because I am a shopaholic. Don't judge me, okay? Bree. So in today's unboxing, it really should have been unboxed before my trip to Africa, because the initial reason as to why I purchased the Apple product, which is the 13-inch MacBook Air in the color silver, the original reason as to why I purchased it, when I purchased it, was number one, Apple and Best Buy, they normally do a back to school sale on all tech products, not just Apple products, but usually like, you know, Beats by Dre products, like the headphones, a variety of products. If you know, you know, but if you don't know, then that's what I'm here to inform you about. So if you ever want to actually get an Apple product on sale, like an iMac, a MacBook, an iPad, your best bet is to either catch it on like a Black Friday sale or the back to school sale that they do starting in August every year. I knew I was going to Africa before the end of 2020. So I've already went to Africa. Unfortunately, I was not able to vlog that experience, but I did put out a content video in regards to information that you'll need to know if you plan on traveling to Africa, of tips and tricks and so forth. Since I am a content creator, I just kind of wanted to take things a little bit more serious. So that's the reason why I initially bought my Apple product. I was going to edit basically while I was in Africa to push out content and not have to wait, you know, 7 days until I got back to Atlanta to then push out content, you know, and space them out. With the amazing sale that Apple had, you were able to get a free pair of AirPods. I think the exact name of this AirPod is AirPods with charging case. As far as if it's the AirPod generation 1, 2, or 3, because I know there's different like genres of AirPods or whatever. Not only did I get free AirPods when I purchased my MacBook, but I also got a discounted rate because it was at the back to school sale. So let's get to the unboxing. My 13-inch MacBook Air in the color silver. These MacBook Airs, along with, you know, MacBook Pros, they come in a variety of colors. They come in a variety of sizes, in a variety of like gigabytes. I'm not a tech savvy person, but I am trying to give y'all the information. It's kind of just like an iPhone. You know how iPhone comes in a variation of sizes, a variation of colors, and then a variation of gigabytes. That applies to the MacBook Air as well. So details in regards to this MacBook Air: 13 by 3-inch Retina LED backlit display with True Tone technology. Everybody knows Apple's corporation or headquarters are based in California, so that is where, I don't know if that's where my MacBook was, like, you know, put together, but that's where it was shipped from. In the color silver, 13-inch. Ooh, talk to me nice. So it is very sleek and thin. That is a perk for me. So this Apple this Apple logo is actually a mirror. This is what the back looks like. It's very plain. So it comes with a protective screen cover. Did I turn it on? Or did y'all turn it on? Because I don't remember turning on this Apple product. It's on though. But okay, so this is the setup process. I'm not going to actually set this product up on camera because I take my time, and it's
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Open it. It is lightweight, so that is a perk as well. It's very sleek and simple, and I do like that. This is my first MacBook. I've never owned a MacBook. I do currently have an iMac that I edit on that sits right here in front of me, but this is my first actual MacBook laptop. I also have an iPad. It has the volumes on the side. I don't think that this is touchscreen. I know with the MacBook Pro, the F keys, or either right above the F keys, they're all touchscreen, but I'm not picky when it comes to, like, you know, small things of that nature. I want to say one of the jacks is for the newest USB port for like the iPhone. I want to say 10, 11, and 12, because y'all know they changed the jack for the USB on those products. So how do I not know how to turn on this Apple product? On my iMac, you just press a button behind it, and that's how you turn it on. But this is kind of, I'm not sure. I think it turned on when I opened it. I mean, I don't know if that's how it turned on. But comment below if you own a MacBook product and you know how to turn it on. I know y'all probably like, Bree, now ain't no way in hell you don't buy this MacBook and you don't know how to turn it on. But guess what? That's the truth. So these ports, they're different from the typical iPhone 8 and below port, because look. So that's the first for me. I mean, I just found that out on camera. But you just end up connecting this, and then you plug this into the MacBook. So this is the manual. It comes with 2 Apple stickers. I don't know what the hell this is. So the first accessory that is a staple to have with your MacBook product is a case. Okay, so this is the Love 2-in-1 laptop case for MacBook Air 13-inch Touch ID, Retina display, rubber-sized plastic hard shell cover, keyboard cover, white marble, blah, 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 blah. Thin and light design ensures your MacBook stays light on its feet. 2-piece design makes it easy to put on or remove in security airport. Protects your MacBook against scratches and scuffs. Designed to fit your MacBook perfectly. It comes with this beautiful, like, this is so sexy. It comes with the keyboard piece, so we're about to see how this works. That was so stressful because I didn't want to break the case. The case is very thin, as I mentioned with the instructions. It's very thin, and I just didn't want to have, like, you know, I just don't like to make it seem like, you know, I don't know what I'm doing on camera. So that was very stressful because this end piece was not, like, this whole side was not clamping. And once it clamps, like, once you hear it, that clamp, that's how you could verify that the actual case is on, because you don't want to think that your case is on and then you pick up to carry your MacBook and then the case falls apart, the MacBook falls, and it's a disaster. So like, this is so cute. Just like think of yourself at kind of like a coffee shop, or like, you know, you're just doing work with friends, or if you're a teacher and you bring your, you know, tech products to school, you can just be like, that's the vision. This black portion is not covered by the keyboard, so this may be the on button and off button for the actual MacBook. You always would need, some people call it a sleeve, a cover, I don't know. Basically, it's a home for my MacBook. I will never just leave my MacBook sitting unsheltered, if that makes sense, like anywhere. Moku NJB bag for 13.3, laptop pink gray marble. Y'all know when it's made in China, they be having these crazy names. Moku's logo is on the exterior. So tucked in is the zipper handle. So this is where you would store, you know, your charger, probably your AirPods, you know, any of your essentials that you feel like you need for your MacBook. And the material on the inside is like a gray, definitely protective layer. So I just want to mention it does come with a handle, zippers, ooh, the material's like soft, suede. So basically my MacBook is gonna be well taken care of inside of its new home. And child, I am on my way. Where y'all trying to meet up? Y'all trying to meet up at Starbucks? Is y'all trying to meet up at Starbucks to do some work? Because I need to edit for vlogMAS, for all of my editing concepts in regards to like on-the-go purposes for YouTube, businesses, leisure, travel. But I definitely see myself taking my MacBook with me on all of my future travels. If you don't know, I am a travel agent and I'll be traveling the world. So my next trip will be in 2021. Y'all know I love to kiss my products. We lit on this channel. We lit going into vlogMAS. I haven't missed a day yet, period. Also, comment below any questions that you have. I may have not been able to get to it, along with turn on your post notifications so that way you are tuned in to each and every time that I, Bree on TV, post new content. Thank you again for tuning in to another episode of Bree on TV, where I am your host who does the most, who loves marble, who loves glam, who loves anything luxe. Bree.